Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone data entry work from home job lead. This one is a little bit different because it is with a temporary agency, but hear me out just for a minute. Working as a hiring supervisor, I have learned that a lot of temp agencies hire people temporarily and test them out. That's just a way to see if they are a good fit. Sometimes they have short-term projects and the projects end and then you get laid off and it is a temporary position, but a lot of times they're just testing people out to see if they are a good fit before hiring them on as a permanent employee. So there are a lot of temporary positions that will then turn into or lead to permanent full-time jobs. So never be against working for a temporary agency. But with that being said, the Robert Half Talent Solutions temporary agency is hiring a contract temporary position for a senior data entry clerk. This position pays $18 to $19 an hour, which is very well for a data entry position. It says that this position is fully remote for residents in the United States. So it looks like they hire anywhere within the United States. However, the schedule for this role is based in Central Time. It would be 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So you will have to convert those hours to your time zone to see if that would work for you. If this is something that you are interested in, they are looking for someone to prepare source data by opening and sorting emails, someone to verify and log received data, check the data for deficiencies and establishing priority entry, and so you want someone who can be accurate and high speed with their data entry. They have just a few requirements. One is a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. They want someone who has previous experience, 1 to 3 years in data entry, and 1 to 3 years of administrative experience in medical or insurance settings. Someone who has strong typing skills, can compute, and written verbal skills. Now, because this position is for contract temporary, there is no benefit package that goes with this position. If this position was not a fit for you, feel free to leave in the comments exactly what you are looking for, along with any education and experience that you have. I am always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.